What's up, guys? Michael Martin, the rock star of real estate, and I'm here with my friend Rowena Healy at KW Vestavia, and we have a great new listing that just hit the market this week, and we want to show you a little bit about it. This is 316 Heritage Drive here in beautiful Springville, Alabama. A 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, a little over 3,300 square feet, and man, it's got everything. Let's take a look. Walking inside, you have a full open concept into your beautiful kitchen, wood accents, beautiful quartz countertops, soft closed drawers, and also a beautiful accent on the floor, which flows nicely into your living area with plenty of space for friends and family to gather.